Hello, welcome back to my channel. I wanted to come on today and share a subscription kit, my first subscription kit to Happie Scrappie. And so I haven't looked at this yet. The only thing I did was cut it open and scratched out some personal information there. It comes in this little envelope. This is my first unboxing, so I'm to do on a video, so I'm really excited to do that. So bear with me. Lots of packaging here, which is good. They're very well protected, which is very nice, because sometimes USPS gets crazy and things happen. So this is the little envelope that the kit comes in. Super cute. There's the front. I love that. It's really cute. Okay, so let's go ahead and open it up here. Okay. And I got the generic planner kit since I use a Hobonichi cousin. And the one that I got does not have a planner insert. The other ones come with a planner insert, like if you do, TN sizes, then like a B6, different sizes like that, then she will include a TN insert with your order. If you get the generic planner kit, you get extra stickers in place of the TN insert. So let's go ahead and open this. So first thing we have is the pen. Show you up close there. It's got little flowers on it. Really cute. And it looks like a gel pen with a very small nib. So, well, wait a minute, I'm not sure. Okay, maybe I wasn't supposed to take that off. Oh, it's a clicky. Oh my goodness. Am I new or what? Okay, it's a clicky. Goodness, I am, yeah, not off to a great start. Okay, so there's the end there, and I believe it's black ink. Let me take the wax coating off the end there, and I will grab a piece of paper here. And the nib is small. I'm gonna guess 0.5, maybe smaller. So if you can kind of see that there. All right. So the next thing is the little magnet pin. Oh my goodness, that magnet is strong. There we go. Okay, get this open here. Put the magnet back on and show that to you. Really cute. And the panda, this little panda guy right here with the side eye is just cracking me up. Oh, that is so cute. All right, that's the first thing there. Then we have some washi cards. Oops, get in the frame there for you. Sorry about the glare. Okay, so let's go ahead and move this to the side here. Got 4 washi cards, and those are really cute. I don't know if I want to put washi on them though, because they're so cute. I'll put them like just in pockets, maybe in my planner. Those are really cute. Okay, and the next thing are these paper clips. Again, with the panda with the side eye. It's just so funny. So that you get the 2 clips there. Cute. Okay, now, see, these are stickers. Let's go ahead and do the sticky note here. Again, sorry about the glare. Get the plastic off. I'll show you those. Those are so cute. Oh my goodness, cute. Everything is cute. I'll probably say that like 1,000 times. So I just apologize in advance. Okay, and the next is a sticker book, or not sticker book, a folder. I believe is B6 size. And again, it's got the little Boba Bear guy and the side-eye panda, which is, yeah, he is my favorite. Got two pockets here, so that's really nice. That'll be great to put into my cousin. It's perfect size. Okay, now we get into the stickers. Like I said, this is my first kit with Sam. So I am not, okay, I'm not super familiar with all of the lingo and everything. So I'm just gonna do the best that I can with these here to show you what all you get. So these are sticker die cuts. So you get all those little guys. Then there are date covers. Goodness, very shiny. Okay, and then you get, what are these, like the month headers, some bow headers, and then different labels. If you wanted to make your own labels to put on the sides. These are tabs to make labels, so you can put these stickers onto these labels. That. And then these little cat butt stickers, and oh my goodness, those are adorable. Okay, got those. And then I think this stack here was the extras that you get for, like, in exchange for the, instead of getting the TN, but I'm not for sure. Or not the TN insert. Okay, and then she has a ton of date covers here. And so I think, look here, there's 2 of those. And you got full boxes, got headers, some more deco there, some little checklists, more labels, checklists, deco, and date, like date covers for your pages. Okay, and then this is the last one here. These are the full boxes that you get. Let me get these in order here. Okay, so I've got those. These. And those. So you get a ton of stickers in this kit. This is amazing. And it was $25 with, like, that was including the shipping. So that is a great price. Then here's the vellum. I'm gonna fold it here. Got the vellum with the little, all the bevies, the boba and the coffee and teapot. And then this one is the boba. And a couple papers here, double-sided papers, and then the inside. And this one. Inside has a rainbow. So that is a lot of stuff for $25. Wow. So, okay, well, I hope you enjoyed my little unboxing here of my Happie Scrappie kit. This was the January kit called Positivi-Tea, T-E-A at the end. So, thanks for watching, and I'll see you guys later.